So here is our first live look at the Google Pixel 5 and Google Pixel 4a 5G variant. We just don't have the pictures of phones, but also the full specs sheet has been leaked on Reddit. So before these live pictures, we just have seen the official renders of both of these phones, as you can see here, and this one was leaked in days of Pixel 4a launch event. So we have been hearing about the Google Pixel 5 since very long time, even before the 2020, and if you guys have seen this render of Google Pixel 5, then don't worry, it's not gonna happen, as you have seen the live look of Google Pixel 5 from rear side. So as you can see, we have the live look and we can talk pretty much about the designs of both phones. On the left we have Google Pixel 5 in, I think, just black color, if I'm not wrong about the color. On the right there is Pixel 4a 5G in white color. Now I know what first question popped up in your mind right now, that why Pixel 4a 5G is having bigger size than Google Pixel 5. Then honestly I don't know, because as of now we just have specs of phone and this live look of Pixel 4a 5G and Google Pixel 5. Both phones are having same rear design and it's pretty much same as of Pixel 4 XL. Both of these phones are having rear mounted fingerprint scanners and dual camera setup in the square shaped camera module. Now it seems like that there is triple camera setup, but the specs are showing that this is dual camera setup. Talking about the specs, then according to XDA developer, a user on Reddit who shared this post and also posted the specs has deleted the post, but we still have it. So as you can see, Google Pixel 5 is having 6 inches of display size and this will be OLED display with obviously 90Hz refresh rate. On the other side, Google Pixel 4a 5G will have 6.2 inches display but still with 60Hz OLED panel. Talking about the camera setup, then finally the new Google Pixel phone is coming with ultra wide angle lens. Yes, Google Pixel 5a camera setup includes 12.2 megapixel main lens and second is, I think, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. At the front, Pixel 5 is having 8 megapixel selfie shooter, which will be at the top left corner in the single punch hole style, same as of Google Pixel 4a. Same is the camera setup for the Google Pixel 4a 5G. Talking about the processor, then both of these phones, the Google Pixel 4a 5G and Google Pixel 5, will have Snapdragon 765G chipset. Now don't wonder that why Google Pixel 5 is having Snapdragon 765G chipset, because yes, this is obviously not an flagship processor, it is the mid-range processor, but the rumors and leaks has already confirmed this thing, that this year's Google Pixel 5 series won't be the flagship series anymore, and obviously the Google will be keeping the prices lower for their Google Pixel 5 series, so that's why they are keeping specs low. And along with this Snapdragon 765G chipset, there will be 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage in Google Pixel 5, while 6GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage on Google Pixel 4a 5G. There will be no audio jack on Google Pixel 5, but the Pixel 4a 5G is still rocking with it. The fingerprint scanner will be at the rear side on both of the phones. Now we don't know the price for Google Pixel 5, but Google has confirmed the price for Google Pixel 4a 5G, which will be $499. Now we'll see on the launch event that does this phone actually meets the price as of its specs or not. So let me know what do you think about both of these phones and the price of Google Pixel 4a 5G in the comment section below. Stay tuned to the channel for more tech videos and I'll see you in the next one.